Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Adda channel of Adda 24/7. I hope so. My voice is audible to all of you and the screen is visible. Please give me a quick reply. Give me a quick reply, guys. My voice is audible and the screen is visible to all of you so that I can start my session. So today we are going to start a mini marathon of module C, which is very important from the examination point of view. If you really want to score 70 plus marks in your BRBL subject, so module C and D are the important module, okay? You can easily get 70 plus marks if you just learn all the concept of C and D. Hello Sanjay sir, how are you? So shall we start the session? Okay, so now let's start the session of your this module C. The first question, before starting the session, I would like to say you that your case study and power pack revision batch is on the store. If you want to crack your exam in a single and a first attempt, so this batch will really give you very help. If you have already purchased the Mahapack, no need to purchase anything. But if you have not purchased, so this is the last, I think, a batch for July exam 2024. Okay, now let's start the session. Number one question. So this is your act, okay, Chakrabarti sir, and this is the year. So you have to tick mark on which act belong to which year. The Bankers Book Evidence Act, the Legal Service Authority Act, Consumer Protection Act, MSME Act, Integrated Ombudsman Act, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Act, Limitation Act, DRT, and SARFAESI. The 10th one, tax law, have no year because in the tax law we have just learned Income Tax Act, GST, etc. So that's why I have not written the tax law. Now please do the answer. That is very important. Yeah, class. I'm just giving you a 2 to 3 minute, okay? I'm just giving you 2 to 3 minutes, okay? And you have to do this one. Tell me class. Just write down ABCD, okay? Write down ABCD. Bankers Book Evidence Act, ABCD, whatever. Just write down. That is very important. Because see class, I'm not saying that the act of the year will definitely come, but in the previous session of your exam, one question were asked. So that's why we do not have to take the risk. Okay, we do not have to take the risk. So that's why I have put this one. Tell me, it's a quick revision and I will send you the PDF in your session. Okay, I will send you the PDF. Okay, I will send you the PDF in the Telegram. Tell me class. We know that in module C there are total 10 acts. Okay, now see, I'm just writing the act year and just tally it. Okay, the Bankers Book Evidence Act, that is G. Okay, this is your G part. The Legal Service Authority Act, that is H part, 1987. Okay, I'm just writing the year. Bankers Book Evidence Act, it's the 1891. Okay, then Legal Service Authority Act, it's a 1987. Consumer Protection Act, okay, Consumer Protection Act, that is 2019. MSME Act, that is 2006. Okay, Integrated Ombudsman Scheme, that is 2021. Okay, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, 2006. Insolvency and Bankruptcy to 16, sorry class, 2016. Okay, Insolvency and Bankruptcy, this is 2016. Okay, this is one. Limitation Act, it's a limitation. Limitation is 1969. Okay, Debt Recovery Act, that is 1993, and SARFAESI Act, that is 2002. So this is your act and the year. So we know that this is not so much important, but question can be come from any part. So that's why you have to revise each and every question. Okay, so this is your all the act and the year. Okay, now let's move toward the next one. So class, this is your, you can see here, this question is from Consumer Protection Act 2019. Okay, this is your Consumer Protection Act 2019. You have to tell me, if Shushma ma'am have to file the case directly into the district commission, what is the limitation period? If Shushma ma'am have to file the case directly into the state commission, what is the limitation period? And if Sushma ma'am have to file the case directly to the national commission, what is the limitation period? And if district commission, if you appeal to the state commission, how much percentage of amount you have to pay? And from state commission to national, how much percentage you have to pay? And if we talk about the jurisdiction, you have to write 2019 jurisdiction and you have to write 2021 jurisdiction. Just please do that question. That is important one. That is, guys, important one for the examination point of view also. Okay, please tell me the right answer. Because in the without option question, Chakrabarti sir, Sanjay sir, in without option, these types of question will come in without option. So that's why this is important one. Okay, that's why it is important. Yes, tell me the right answer. Yes, just write me the year. And from district commission to state commission, appeal days, in how many we can appeal? From state to national and from national to Supreme Court. What is the limitation? This one. Consumer Protection Act, this is the crux of your act. This is the crux of the act. So please tell me the right answer. Tell me the right answer here. Yes, yes, tell me. You have to tell me the limitation of year, limitation of days, jurisdiction, and percentage of amount that you have to pay. Percentage of amount that you have to pay. So class, I'm just writing down the exact answer. So Shushma ma'am, if she want to file the case directly to the district commission, 2 years is a limitation. In the state commission also 2 year, and in the national commission also it is a 2 year. Okay, from district to state commission, 50% amount pay, appellant have to pay. From state to national, 50% appellant have to pay. From district to state commission, within 45 days we have to file the case. From state to national, 30 days is a limitation, and from national to Supreme Court, 30 days is a limitation. Okay, and if I talk about the jurisdiction, from 2019 up to 1 crore, state 1 CR to 10 CR, and national it is about 10 CR. Okay, and if I talk about 2021, it is up to 50 lakh, state 50 lakh up to 2 crore, and this one about 2 crore. So this is the right answer. Okay, so you have to learn this as whatever I have written, because this is very important, that can become in the form of question. Is that okay? Okay, so please learn all the things that I have mentioned you. Done class? Now, next. So guys, next again, a very important part that I have directly taken from the book. Directly I have taken from the book class. Okay, see, you have to just write down the limitation period, okay, of these things. So how many points are there? It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there are 12 points and you have to write me the limitation. What happened? Why you people are not giving me the reply? Huh? Why you people are not giving me the reply? What happened? What happened, Baba? Yes, tell me, tell me. Yes, class. Now I'm just blank. Totally blank. Huh? Totally blank. This is really very bad. This is really very bad. I have already told you how to learn these things. See, if I just talk about the mortgage, so the mortgage is 12-year limitation. Foreclosure, 30-year is the limitation. And possession of immovable property, that is of 12-year of possession. I have already told you this one trick. Huh? Chakrabarti sir, you are just telling me you are just telling me the imprisonment of the Prevention of Corruption Act. I'm just talking about the limitation. And for everything, it is 3-year, 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 3-year. That is a limitation, guys. That is so simple, huh? That is so simple. And you have not given the right answer. Why? Why, class? This is the right answer. Now it is clear. So I have already told you, just remember these things. For mortgage, for foreclosure, for this one. It's a 12, 30, 12. This is the right answer. Is that okay? Chalo, koi nahi. Chaliye. Now class, you have to solve the case studies question. Okay? Now, the first question on the screen. In S.L. Fernandez versus V.M. Fernandez, the plaintiff was the owner of legal sale and the bar with a license. It means the plaintiff is a owner of liquor sale and he have a license. He made a contract with a defendant. C class. In any case, there is a two party, plaintiff and defendant. Okay. So in this case, plaintiff is the owner and defendant. He have just done the contract with defendant where the plaintiff is giving his business to him and receive a yearly payment and eventually transfer the full control letter. But defendant did not hold any license and he is selling the liquor without license. Is that possible? The plaintiff brought an action against defendant for not paying the yearly payment. Which of the following is the appropriate decision that is taken by the court? Tell me, class. What will be the right answer for this question? That is very important. And whatever the case that I have mentioned you in the class, that case is in the book. Okay? That case is in the book. So that's why this is important. So guys, in this case, if the defendant is selling the liquor without license, that is not an authenticate. So that's why plaintiff cannot recover the amount. So the answer can be from A and can be from B. Now just see the reason. In the B1, the plaintiff cannot recover the amount as there was no written agreement between the yearly payment. This is not right. Defendant was without license and prohibited by law. So that's why the A will be the right answer for this question. Exactly, Priyanka ma'am, Chakravarti sir. Excellent. A will be the right answer. Good, Sanjay sir. Next. Mr. Gandhi Behra, a resident of Singapore, Ganjam, order a pair of Adidas Run Stunner, okay, running shoes through the Flipkart mobile app on 20 July 2022. It means from Flipkart, that is an online app, he just ordered the shoe. The shoe were initially priced 4,099 but were listed a discounted rate of 975. Mr. Behra placed the order with expectation of receiving the product at the stated price, that is 975. However, to his disappointment, Flipkart cancelled his order the very next day without providing any valid reason and obtaining his consent. This cancellation left Mr. Bera frustrated and inconvenienced. Now tell me guys, decide the validity of the claim made by Mr. Gandhi against Flipkart platform. That is good one. That is good question. This is called case studies question, okay? The fact will be given and the four option will be given. You have to tick mark on the right answer. Tell me class, the right answer. What will be the right answer for this question? What will be the right answer for this question? Yes, class. What will be the right answer for this question? Tell me, guys. Whether the offer is accepted, whether the contract is taken place or not. Yes, yes, tell me, guys. Excellent. So, guys, in this case, that is good, Sanjay sir, Chakrabarti sir. Okay, that is good. The right answer will be C. Okay, the right answer will be C. The Flipkart is liable because the order by Flipkart constituted the acceptance of offer presented by Flipkart, allowing him to purchase the product, and email from Flipkart indicate the acceptance of offer exactly. Okay, next day he just cancelled the order. That cannot be happened. So it is a breach of contract. You can also file the case. This is a breach of contract, guys, and you can also file the case. Okay, that's great. Next, Mr. Bharat owned a car in the city of Indore. He was willing to sell his car for rupees 30 lakh. While looking at a potential customer, he found Anupam as a buyer. Anupam as a buyer willing to buy his car. The car was having some defect, but it did not know either of the party. None of the party know the defect. Now Anupam want to file a complaint under consumer protection for selling the defective car worth of rupees 25 lakh. What should Anupam file the complaint? Where should? And this act is from 2019 Consumer Protection Act, because we know right now we have just learned the jurisdiction of 2019 and 2021. So this question is from 2019. Now tell me where he will file the case. And guys, do not forget to like the session, subscribe the channel so that the notification will be automatically come in your mobile. Yes, tell me the right answer. Tell me the right answer. Yes, yes, class, tell me the right answer. It's a C class in 2019. Okay, where complainant reside, where seller reside, where cause of action taken place. In all the three places we can file the case. So here, where Bharat reside and work gain, where Anupam reside, work gain, where Anupam reside, Bharat reside or work gain. So D is the right of answer. You can also add one, that is a cause of action. So guys, in Consumer Protection Act, where complainant reside, where plaintiff reside, seller is side, or where cause of action taken place. In all the three places we can file the case. So D will be the right answer for this question. D will be the right answer. In 1986, when the Consumer Act come into picture, so you can tick mark on the C. Okay, but right now D will be the right answer for this question. Okay, that's great. Next one. The petitioner, who is the proprietor of Miss Evercool Enterprise, which is registered under MSMED Act, has availed a credit facility of First Respondent Bank. Upon the petitioner default in repaying the loan, the bank initiated the recovery proceeding under SARFAESI. So guys, in SARFAESI we know that without intervention of the court, how we can just take the money from the borrower. The bank subsequently issued notice under section 13. So now tell me, which of the following is suitable course of legal action in light of section 13 of the SARFAESI Act? Tell me, class. Yes, class. What will be the right answer for this question? What will be the right answer for this question? Evercool Enterprise. Tell me. So class, the right answer is, tell me class, this is very good question. Excellent. Sanjay sir, if you have just tell me the 19th, this one, D1, the secure creditor may require the borrower by notice in writing of discharge of the full liability to the secure creditor within 60 days. This is right answer. So guys, D will be the right answer for this question. That's great. Okay, that's great class. Excellent. Next. GRI Tower India Private Limited started a constructed project for building a flat in a gated society. The company accepted the full amount from subscriber and promised to deliver flat by the end of 2021. Even after 1 year, the project was not yet completed. The subscriber decided to file CAIRP process. It's a, what is this? Corporate Insolvency Resolution Process under Section 7. Decide the essential condition to be fulfilled in adopting the legal course. Tell me, class. What will be the right answer for this question? That is good one. That is good one. Tell me, class, what will be the right answer? What will be the right answer of this question? Tell me. The right answer will be excellent, Chakrabarti sir. That's great. The application for initiating the corporate insolvency resolution process against the debtor shall be fined jointly at least 100 creditor. The financial creditor shall, along with the application, furnish the name of resolution professional proposed to act as an interim resolution professional, and the adjudicating authority has to ensure that there is no disciplinary proceeding against this. So all of the above will be the right answer. That's great. Okay, now class, Lok Adalat is created under which act? It's the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. B. Supreme Court of India. C. Legal Service Authority Act. And D. 73 Amendment of the Constitution. Which of the following is the right answer? And please give the right answer. And tomorrow the session will be of bilingual language. The question will be, some question will be different from the English medium. So you can also attend tomorrow mini marathon. Okay, you can also attend tomorrow mini marathon. So Lok Adalat is created under which act class? And Chakrabarti sir, could you please tell me the year of that act? Could you please tell me the year of the act, if you don't mind? Year of the act. So guys, Lok Adalat has been created under Legal Service Authority Act, that is 1987. This is the right answer. So for this one, C is the right answer. Okay, C is the right answer for this question. Next one. What do you mean by the term ADR, C class? As we know that we have a court, but court means adjournment, adjournment, adjournment. So that's why in India we have a ADR system. So ADR in India include Lok Adalat, Ombudsman, Consumer Forum, okay? It's a tribunal, arbitration, conciliation, mediation, negotiation. So these are the ADR methods. So what do you mean the full form of ADR? Alternative desperate resolution, alternative despite resolution, alternative dispute resolution, or additional dispute resolution. What is the right answer? What is the right answer for this question? ADR. So ADR is the alternative dispute resolution. So C will be the right answer for this question. Okay, C will be the right answer for this question. Now, with a reference to the Lok Adalat, which of the following statement is correct? Lok Adalat have jurisdiction to settle the matter at pre-litigative stage and not matter pending before any court. Lok Adalat can deal only civil matter, not criminal matter. Every Lok Adalat consists of either serving or retired judicial officer only and not any other officer, or none of the above. So which of the following is the right answer? Tell me class, which of the following is the right answer for this question? That is good question. See, what do you mean with the term pre-litigative? So guys, pre-litigative means, suppose if a matter is come in the court and going on, that is called litigation. Pre-litigative, before coming into court, the case will be called pre-litigative. So when Lok Adalat, only the matter of pre-litigative will come, not the matter which is pending in any court. It means if any case is pending in a court, that case cannot be come in Lok Adalat. That is absolutely wrong. That is, this line is absolutely wrong, because the matter which is pending in the court, that can also come in Lok Adalat. So this is wrong one. So I have just highlighted the red one. Lok Adalat can deal with civil matter, not criminal. No, 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 no. Lok Adalat can also handle the criminal matter which is not of the heinous crime, which is not of the heinous nature. So that's why B, one portion is right, one portion is wrong. Done. And then Lok Adalat consists either serving retired judge, this is right, not any other person, this is absolutely wrong, because expert person also come in Lok Adalat. So the red highlighted thing is a wrong one. And the question is asking which of the following is correct. So guys, none of the above is correct one. Why you people say B? Sanjay sir, Priyanka ma'am? Why you people say B is the right answer? Huh? Why? Yes, class. What is the right answer? Understand? Exactly, Sanjay sir. Criminal case which is of very serious, which is not of serious nature, that can also handle by the Lok Adalat. Okay, that can also handle by Lok Adalat. Criminal nature which is not of heinous means murder, rape, these kind of will not come in the Lok Adalat. But criminal nature means, suppose if someone rebuke, if someone is fighting, so this cases can come under Lok Adalat. So that's why none of the above statement is the correct one. Is that clear or not? Done, class? I think this segment is clear to all of you. Okay, class? This is clear. Now, the next one. Example, if someone is fighting and a hurt, a hurt is there, that is called criminal nature. If someone slap, that is criminal nature. That is of criminal nature. Is that okay? Next. When the sailor manipulate the price, when the sailor manipulate the price, it is known as what? When the sailor manipulate the price, it is called what? Yes, class, tell me. When the sailor manipulate the price, guys, the right answer will be, it is called restricted trade practice. This is your definition term. This is your definition term, class. This is your definition term. It's not D. Okay? It's not D. The right answer is, it's a restrictive trade practice. Okay? Next. Section 3 of Limitation Act does not apply to suit, application, appeal, or execution proceeding. Tell me, class. What will be the right answer? Section 3 of limitation does not apply to, first of all, the Limitation Act is applied to the suit, application, appeal, but does not apply to the execution proceeding, because that is written in the book. Okay, guys, I think in the first slide we have just write 1969, but the actual year of Limitation Act is 1963. Okay, so ma'am can also get confused, so that's why Limitation Act year is 1963. So this is the right answer. Okay, now a fresh period of limitation start in the case of acknowledgement when the acknowledgement is signed, it is written, both A and B, and none of the above. So which of the following is right one? 25th. Tell me, class, which of the thing is the right one? Section 3 of limitation does not Fresh, this is important because this line is also written in the paid class. Okay, so what will be the right answer? Excellent. The right answer is C. The fresh period of limitation is written in the acknowledgement and in the second one. Okay. So the right answer will be both A and B will be the right answer. Okay. So C will be the right answer for this question. Next one. The tribunal and appellant tribunal shall not be bound by the procedure laid down by IPC, that is Indian Penal Code, Code of Civil Procedure, Indian Evidence, and Code of Criminal Procedure. If you remember, guys, the Modi government have changed the criminal law in India, and this is called a criminal law in India. Now your Indian Penal Code is called Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Indian evidence is called Bharatiya Sakshya Sanhita, and Code of Criminal Procedure called Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. So this is the name of your particular act. Okay, tell me the right answer. And from 1st July 2024, this criminal law is going to be implemented in India. So it may be possible that can become in the form of question. Okay, it may be possible that can become in the form of question. So the right answer is tribunal and appellant tribunal shall not bound, because see, in the tribunal and appellant tribunal, the civil matter, whatever the matter that's come, it's called a civil matter. So that's why they are not bound to follow the code of civil procedure. So for this one, B is the right answer. Okay, B will be the right answer for this question. Okay, B will be the right answer, because this code of civil procedure generally follow in the civil code. Okay, in criminal code this CRPC follow. Next, corporate insolvency process shall be completed within the period of, in how many days the CIRP have to be completed? Tell me, in how many days? Yes, class. The CIRP process, it means if any person is declared as insolvent, bankruptcy, so there is a process that is given in IBC code 2016. So what will be the right answer? Exactly, Priyanka ma'am. The right answer will be 180 days they have to be finished. Next, the time period for completing the fast track corporate insolvency resolution process is fast track. Hanji class, the fast track one. The fast track one will be, the fast track will be within 90 days. Okay, next, RBI set up CRPC, okay, in which particular area? It's a Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Chandigarh. What is the right answer? The right answer will be, that is in the Chandigarh. Okay, you have to remember this one. Who will be the appellant authority under the Integrated Ombudsman Scheme 2021? It's a governor, deputy governor, executive director, or CJM. What is the right answer? Who would be the appellant authority under integrated? When this was banking ombudsman, so the deputy governor was the appellant authority, but in the integrated, the right one is executive director will be the right answer. Okay, it's the executive director. That's great. Okay, next. MSME is governed by which of the following ministry? Because this also have a ministry. It's the Ministry of Financial Services, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Small Scale Industry, and Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise. What is the right answer? So class, as you can easily see, MSME Development Act 2006, that is governed by Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise. So D is the right answer. Is that okay? Next. As per banker's book evidence, what do you mean by the judge? This question is from the definition term. Judge of district court, first class magistrate, judge of Supreme Court, judge of High Court. So what is the right answer? As per the banker's book evidence act, what is judge? The right answer is judge means, according to this, that is judge of the High Court. Okay, so this is the right answer. Next. Which of the following person are not authorized to issue certificate under Section 2A of the Bankers Book Evidence Act? Manager, principal accountant, principal in charge of computer system, and none of the above. Tell me the right answer. My question is very simple. Which of the following person is not authorized to issue certificate under Section 2 of the Bankers Book Evidence Act? This act is basically that what kind of evidence the bank can be present before the court. Okay. So this act is of 1891. Manager, they have to sign. Principal accountant, yes. So there's an option between manager and principal accountant. Person in charge of computer system, yes. So that's why, guys, none of the above is the right answer, because each of the person have to be signed. So D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Okay. Next. A court might order a bank to prepare and produce copies of entries relevant to the matter in issue, accompanied by a certificate that no other entries are to be found in the books, and such order is to be served dash clear days. 3, 5, 4, 7. Yes, class. I think the known questions. Okay, so the right answer will be, that is 3 days is the right answer. Okay, next. What is the purpose of central registry? Tell me. Collection of information related to the securitization cases, registration of information relating to the secured creditor and related borrower, registration of transaction of securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and creation of security interest, storehouse of information relating to the securitized assets. So what is the purpose of central registry? See, guys, first of all, what is the use of central registry? Suppose if the borrower have taken money from the bank, so the borrower will give the security. For that security, the bank have to be registered so that the borrower cannot use that security to the another loan. Okay, so the purpose is so here the purpose is basically C is the right answer. Okay, done class? That's great. Next one. Where the management of business of borrower is a company as defined under Company Act is taken over by secured creditor, then notwithstanding anything contained in the said act in the memorandum and article, such borrower, A option, no resolution passed at any meeting of the shareholder of such company shall be given effect unless approved by secured creditor. It shall not be lawful for the shareholder of such company or any other person to nominate and appoint any person to be the director of company. No proceeding for winding up such company or for the appointment of a receiver in respect shall lie in any court except consent of the secured creditor and all of the above. So what will be the right answer for this question? Tell me. Excellent, Sanjay sir. For this one, the right answer is C class. This question is of basically of company. Okay. What is this? If the management of the business of borrower is a company as defined under this is taken over by the secure creditor. And what is secure creditor? That may be the bank, financial institution. Okay. Notwithstanding anything contained in the said act or in the memorandum or an article of association, such borrower, the right answer is D will be the right answer. The provision of SARFAESI will not apply to a lien on any goods, money or security given by under Indian Contract Act. B. Any case in which amount due is less than 20%. C. Any security interest on agricultural land, or D. All of the above. What is the right answer? Yes, class. The SARFAESI will not apply to the. So class, SARFAESI will not apply. In lien, it will not apply. Less than 20% not apply. Agricultural land not apply. So D is the right answer. D is the right answer for this question. Okay guys, so that's all for today's class. And I hope so you people like this session. So this is the mini marathon of each module. Okay, in July we will do something great. In July we will do something really very great in which I will cover in one YT session all section, in one YT session all penalties, in one YT session all important full forms in one YT session, all act in one way, in a crux way, okay? So the important session will be go on in July. So if you really want to crack this exam now, so you have to attend each and every session very sincerely. Okay, class? So first of all, this is your Power Pack revision batch. Okay, so if you want to crack this Power Pack revision batch, you have to enroll. So for enrollment, what you have to do, first of all, open the Google Chrome, okay? If you open the Google Chrome, you can see here, click on all courses. This is JAIIB, CAIIB, okay? CAIIB, it's in November. You have to attend CAIIB June 2024. This is your case study plus power pack. This is the English medium. So if you click on English medium, okay, click on buy now. Coupon code Y391. Okay, if you click on apply, you can see 79% discount is there. And for 1% more discount, what you have to do, for 1% more discount, you have to download the Adda app in the mobile, and through mobile, you have to purchase the session. Is that okay? So I think you people like the session, and if any student is attending the session in the this one in the this one in the recorded session, do not forget to give the answer in the comment box, okay? And this is your, if you want to click on the Maha pack, so you can also purchase the Maha pack because DV is going on. So what is double validity? Double validity in which there will be the package of 1 year, 2 year, okay? So suppose if you are a fresher, or if you just want 2 year of validity, so click on 12 plus 12, click on buy now, and coupon code Y391, click on apply. You can see the price is only 9,448 for the 2 years. So whatever the batch that we will launch for the CAIIB for 2 year, every batch you can see paid class, PDF, recorded session, etc. Okay, so guys, this is all for today's class. So I hope so you people like the session. Thank you so much for attending the session.